In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to collect emails by default on your Google form submission. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the settings tab at the top of your form, and then going down underneath defaults, click the drop down, and where it says collect email addresses by default, click that, and then select verified or responder input. So verified means it requires them to use a Google email address to submit the form, or just responder input. They can put any email in the form, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.